Please remember that every October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Hi everybody and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Petra, Andrew's wife. On the bench today is a cute little Mondo Motors Fiat 500, or Fiat Cinquecento as the Italian would say. We had 3 of these to choose from. It's an Italian classic and it's perfect for one of my girlfriends who is going to be the recipient of these customs when I'm all finished. She's an Italian beauty too. I also found this Hot Wheels Fiat 500D Modificato while going through Andrew's stash, and I'm putting this aside as an extra gift to go together with the customized car. It's our entry for this year's Painted Pink Invitational to raise awareness for breast cancer research. The Painted Pink event is hosted by the 4 Horsemen. These are all the team members. This month we welcome Jody Sims as the guest horseman. Of course, Andrew is one of the build team members, and this is an issue near and dear to my heart, so I'm happy to give my husband the week off and make another cameo appearance. As I take the Fiat apart, you can see that it has pre-drilled posts with screws. Easier for me. The windshield has built-in headlights. I won't even touch the interior chassis or the wheels. They all go right back on. I'll put the sunroof and those tiny taillights and screws in a little bag for safekeeping. This is my 4th appearance on Maple Leaf Customs for the Painted Pink Invitational. I usually pick my car based on cuteness, and this one gets a 10 out of 10 in that category. I love it. But this year's car has a more special meaning to me. I'm doing this one for a dear friend and former colleague of mine. Her name is Tia, and she's dealing with breast cancer right now. She's from Italy and drives a Fiat Cinquecento. This custom will be a gift to her. If you become interested in this hobby by watching Andrew's videos, then I can tell you that you can do this too. I'm doing all my own work on the Fiat. Of course, Andrew's coaching me, but if a girl can do it, why you don't give it a try? I brush on the paint stripper, and here we say goodbye to the original paint job. In just a few minutes, the old paint comes off easily. I go over it with a wire attachment on a rotary tool. And then some super fine steel wool. I also went over the car with Flitz polish, so it's as shiny as possible before painting. I'm inviting you to show your support of my husband's YouTube channel by liking his video and subscribing. You'll see his excellent customizations every Saturday. He does die-cast cars as well as super cool fantasy builds. Help me cheer him on towards 10,000 subs. Into the paint booth for a color change. Remember the theme. I only handle this airbrush once a year, and Andrew tells me that this Spectra Flame hot pink paint is kind of hard to work with, so I'm careful to spray it very lightly at first and not too close up so that there won't be any drips. Here's the paint job a few days later, after it has dried completely. Notice that the tiny chrome highlights like the door handles and license plates show up? If you scrape away the paint, it's more accurate than trying to paint these little details by hand. That's a pro tip from my husband, who has nerves of steel. This week's community shoutout is on the YouTube channel Small Model Car. If you follow the link in the description, you'll be able to see his cool collection. Now it's time for the custom decals that Andrew made up for me. On both doors is the word hope. And there's a single pink ribbon. This is the emblem for the Breast Cancer Foundation, so it goes prominently on the hood of the Fiat. Let's not forget what this invitational is all about. Now that the paint and 2 clear lacquer coats are dry and fully cured, I can put everything back together. Here's another look at all the parts. There are only a couple of main pieces, so it's not too difficult to do. I'm glad I didn't lose the tiny taillights. I've already put them back in with a little bit of super glue and the sunroof too. Once again, I want to show my support for all the brave women who are currently struggling with and working through a breast cancer diagnosis, and also celebrating with the survivors. In 2024, more than 360,000 women have been diagnosed with breast cancer, but there is hope. Advancements in early detection methods and support continue to increase the chances of survival. When caught in its earliest localized stages, the 5-year relative survival rate of breast cancer is 99%. Hope is the key word today for all those affected by breast cancer. We all know someone who has been impacted by this disease in one way or another, and I'm sending my love to each one of you who needs support. Please never give up. The original Fiat looked cool, but now let's see how it looks in the October painted pink theme. Wow, that really stands out, doesn't it? I think it looks very pretty. Notice the custom license plate with Tea's name and the little Italian flag on the back. All the details came out so well. I love it. Once again, this custom goes to my dear friend Tea, who is struggling with breast cancer right now. It will be hand delivered in this custom acrylic display case. Don't forget she gets the 500D Modificado too. Thanks again to this month's guest horseman Jody Sims. please try to watch as many of the other Painted Pink videos on YouTube as you can to show your support. There will be lots of them. Remember, we are raising awareness for breast cancer research. Thank you for visiting Maple Leaf Customs again today. I hope you enjoyed this custom. I'm no Andrew, but I did my very best. Please leave a respectful comment below and help us keep this channel family friendly. It's herbal tea time.